With me here is the MVP from the foreign players category, DERMAINE CROCKRELL of Punjab Steelers. DERMAINE, this concept of MVP introduced for the first time for the international players. Of course, you all are coming here for the first time. Is it a contest, in a contest for you all to look forward to?
Yeah, it was actually it was a really good season this year. It was really a blessing to be a part of the MVP race and to win. The guys here are really great. My teammates, I'd like to thank them. The fans for supporting us. It's been an awesome experience so far.
When you came to India for the Pro Basketball League, what were your expectations, or what were you hoping for in India?
I was just hoping to show everybody my speed, show how fast I play the game and how hard I play the game. Being here, it's been awesome. The people have been really nice and kind.
How do you like to take your career forward? Of course, you would be aspiring to play in the NBA one day. So how do you think this will progress your career?
You know what, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure. I just like to take one day at a time because you don't know what could happen in the future. So I just try to stay in the moment that I'm in right now, and hopefully it helps me have a better career, helps me get better, and who knows.
Right. And how long do you wish to play for Punjab Steelers?
As long as they want to keep me, so who knows.
Wonderful. DERMAINE, you've been a fantastic entertainer. Keep up your good work.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.